the fundamentals of software engineering. Let's find out, guys.
Hello there, guys, and welcome to the software engineering course. So I'm going to give you a brief introduction about what we're trying to learn here and what is the actual software development process. So what is software engineering? So if we're considering software engineering, so consider these possible values. So the first thing in software engineering is that all of these start with the requirements. So what is the requirements of the project and how we're actually going to be using them? What does the user want? What will the user need? So this is all the assessment stage. From there, it goes to the design phase. So in this phase, the user actually goes and designs the code which he or she wants and actually goes and builds the code. Build. So this is where, after you design the code, the software engineering part, which we're going to be discussing here, is also known as software design. You're going to go and be building the code. This is also otherwise known as coding. After that, you're going to go and deploy this. So we'll deploy this, and once you deploy the set over here, you're going to be deploying, and you're also going to have a few mistakes. That's when you're going to be testing. So once you have configured with testing, such as unit testing, integration testing, blue box testing, white box testing, and all these testings, you're going to have a good understanding about where the issue actually lies. Then you'll go to modify or fix. Then once you modify or fix the mistakes, then the actual process is to deploy final. Then you deploy the final model and actually the software development process. But what happens and what comes over here to this model? This is where we develop and integrate. Refine. Modify and improve. Modify, feedback, and improve. So we develop and integrate the software processes, we refine them based on the customer feedback and modify them, and then the whole cycle process starts once again. So this is actually the basic software engineering model. So I would like to talk about the basic structures of a Mario game. So let's design a good Mario game. So we're building...
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.